Hello students, today we are going to study the volumetric experiment. See the aim of experiment to determine the concentration in terms of molarity of KMnO4 solution by titrating it against more salt, that is ferrous ammonium salt. So this experiment we will conduct and you will observe the video. So just focus on the procedure, whatever we are going to do. See, this is the burette in which I have filled the unknown concentration of KMnO4 solution. See, the burette you have studied last year, you have used also. The marking on the burette is start from 0 to it is marked downwards. It is 25 ml here, and this is the nozzle portion. You have to take care that this nozzle portion should not have any air bubbles. You have to fill how I have filled. First you have to wash the burette, rinse with the solution. You will add the KMnO4 solution, allow it to go through the nozzle portion. This is the pinch cork. So this KMnO4 solution whose concentration or molarity we have to determine with using ferrous ammonium solution. Its molarity is 0.1. For this first part is there, we have to prepare 0.1 molar solution of FAS. For that I have to weigh 3.92 gram. I have weighed the quantity and then diluted to 100 ml and I have used for one reading. So we have to pipette out 10 ml from the FAS solution, that's concentration is 0.1. 110 ml we have to pipette out using pipette. Then we will take in a conical flask. Over here this FAS solution is slow reacting, so we have to add H2SO4. 1 test tube of H2SO4 we will add and we will titrate against KMnO4 solution whose concentration we don't know. We have to find out. So you will observe this, how we have to pipette out. See, pipette, first of all I have washed the pipette with water, then rinsed with the solution. Now I will pipette the solution, dip the pipette in the solution. See over here, marking is here. So up to suck out the excess solution and then you will release by releasing your forefinger. Here you have to note down that your forefinger should be dry, otherwise you can't control the level of solution. Now see, this solution is exactly 10 ml. Marking is over here. So 10 ml I have taken in the conical flask. See, last drop is there in the pipette. Just press the bulb and release it. The last drop will come out. Now in this we have to add 1 test tube of dilute H2SO4. So H2SO4 is here. So we will add 1 test tube or 1 test tube of H2SO4. And in this reaction the KMnO4 is a self-titrant. Self-titrant means self-indicator. Indicator means it will show the changing color. Now end point is colorless to pink. We have to do the titration till we get pink coloration. See, you will use the left hand thumb to control the pinch cork and you will use right hand to shake the conical flask. Now release the solution drop wise. You will focus in the conical flask. Here you see, you will release it slowly and you will observe pink coloration when KMnO4 solution is added in the solution. But that pink coloration will disappear because this is not the end point. So our end point is the pink color should be permanently at least for 30 seconds or 1 minute. ऐसे नहीं कि गायब हो रहा है. तो देखो, तो ये वो end point नहीं रहेगा. So see the addition of KMnO4 solution from the burette. See how I am using the two hands. One hand, left hand to control the pinch cork and right hand to shake the or to hold the flask. Now I am adding continuously drop wise and immediately I am shaking that solution. एंड कब तक आपको करना है ये, जब तक आपको लाइट पिंक कलरेशन नहीं मिलता तब तक ये कंटिन्यू करना है. Once you get the light pink coloration and that will withstand with the 30 seconds, then that is your end point. So reaction will complete and we can determine the strength of KMnO4. Now in this titration we know the concentration of FAS solution, we know the quantity of FAS solution, and using the burette reading we can find out the concentration of KMnO4, that is strength and molarity. So this we have to continue till we get light pink coloration. So this requires lots of patience and you have to use your practical hand, that very carefully you will do all these things. This burette is obviously handled with the stand. All these apparatus are familiar with you because last year we have studied the volumetric solution, volumetric titration. See, still it is not standing, it is not withstanding actually for 30 minutes. So we will continue. आपको रीडिंग नहीं देखना है यहाँ पे, पहले आप देखोगे कि आपका सोल्यूशन कब चेंज होगा. दैट कैन चेंज एट एनी टाइम, यू डोंट नो. दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव टू ऐड ड्रॉप वाइज. This is very important step. Addition should be drop wise because we don't know the reading. See, this is the coloration you have to get. It is a light pink coloration. देखो ये अभी रुक रहा है, ऐसे नहीं कि disappear हो रहा है. So this is your end point. Reaction will complete here. At this time you will note down the reading in the burette. See, now this reading is 10 and 11. इनके बीच में है, देखो 10 के बाद 11 है और ये है लास्ट मिडल लाइन. So it is 10.5. You should be able to read the burette. Don't think that every time you will get 10.5. It depends on the concentration, but for today's reading it is 10.5. So this step you have to do for 3 times. First reading is your pilot reading and then you have to take 3 readings, and out of 3 readings 2 readings should be same. That is called as CBR, constant burette reading. So this procedure you have to repeat. देखो अभी ये जो burette है, इस burette को आपको फिर से KMnO4 solution से भरना है यहाँ से, तो 0 तक हो जाएगा. एंड यू विल वॉश द कोनिकल फ्लास्क, टेक 10 ml FAS solution and again add H2SO4 and you will do the titration again till you get 2 constant burette reading. So this is our volumetric experiment. Okay.